Most people get this wrong when choosing a digital wallet in Vietnam. They download the first app they see, ignore fees, and then wonder why they are losing money on every transaction. Here's the truth no one tells you. The right digital wallet can actually save you hundreds of dollars a year, while the wrong one quietly drains your balance through hidden charges and poor exchange rates. In this video, you are going to learn the 10 best digital wallets in Vietnam for 2026. We will break down which apps are safest, which ones give the best rewards, which ones are cheapest for everyday payments, and which ones are best for travelers, expats, and locals. By the end, you will know exactly which wallet fits your lifestyle, so you never overpay fees again and you start getting real cash back and rewards on your spending. And here's the important part. We are not just listing apps. We are going to compare them in real-life situations. Like buying coffee in Hanoi, paying rent in Ho Chi Minh City, sending money to family, or shopping online. Because that's where most people make mistakes. Let's start right away. Vietnam is one of the fastest growing cashless economies in Southeast Asia. QR payments are everywhere. From street food stalls to luxury malls, almost every merchant accepts digital wallets. But here's the problem. Not all wallets are equal. Some are amazing for local payments but terrible for international use. Others offer great rewards but charge hidden fees on transfers. And some are just not secure enough for long-term use. So let's go through the best options one by one, starting with the most popular wallet in Vietnam. The first wallet you need to know is Momo. Momo is basically the king of digital wallets in Vietnam. If you walk around Ho Chi Minh City or Hanoi, you will see Momo QR codes almost everywhere. You can use it to pay bills, buy food, book rides, and even invest in small financial products. Now here's where it gets interesting. Momo is not just a payment app. It is an entire financial ecosystem. You can top up mobile phones, pay electricity bills, and even get cashback on daily spending. For example, someone like Alex, a student in Hanoi, can use Momo to pay for coffee every day and slowly accumulate small cashback rewards that add up over a month. But here's the problem. Momo is mostly optimized for domestic users. If you are a foreigner, or you want to use international cards frequently, you may find limitations. Still, for everyday life in Vietnam, Momo is a must-have. Next we have ZaloPay. ZaloPay is connected to Vietnam's most popular messaging app, Zalo.it. This is important, because almost everyone in Vietnam uses Zalo for communication. That means sending money is as easy as sending a message. Now here's where it gets interesting. ZaloPay often runs aggressive promotions. Cashback deals, discount vouchers, and zero-fee transfers are common. For example, Jake, a young office worker in Ho Chi Minh City, might use ZaloPay to split dinner bills with friends and get instant cashback on weekend purchases. But here's the catch. The rewards are great, but they often change quickly. So you need to stay active to take advantage of the best deals. If you are someone who loves promotions and discounts, ZaloPay is a strong option. Now, let's talk about VNPay. VNPay is slightly different. Instead of being just a wallet, it is more of a payment infrastructure. You will see VNPay QR codes almost everywhere in Vietnam. Now this is important. VNPay is not always a standalone wallet experience like Momo. Instead, it connects banks, merchants, and apps together. So when you scan a VNPay QR code, you might be paying directly from your bank account or linked wallet. But here's the advantage. It is extremely widely accepted. In fact, in some rural areas, VNPay is more common than card payments. So if you want maximum acceptance across Vietnam, VNPay is essential. Now let's move to ShopPay. ShopPay is built for people who shop online frequently. If you use Shopee, which is one of the biggest e-commerce platforms in Southeast Asia, this wallet is extremely powerful. Now here's where it gets interesting. ShopPay gives heavy discounts, cashback, and voucher stacking during sales events. For example, someone like John in Ho Chi Minh City could save a significant amount during 11.1, 1 or 12.12 shopping festivals just by paying through ShopPay. But here's the limitation. Outside of Shopee ecosystem, its benefits are slightly weaker compared to Momo or ZaloPay. So this wallet is best for online shoppers. Next, we have Viettel Money. Viettel Money is backed by Viettel, one of Vietnam's largest telecom companies. That means it has strong infrastructure and nationwide reach. Now here's the key advantage. Viettel Money works very well in rural areas and places where other wallets may not be fully adopted yet. You can use it for transfers, bill payments, and even financial services. But here's the downside. The user interface is not as smooth as Momo or ZaloPay, so beginners may find it slightly less intuitive. Still, for reliability and coverage, it is a strong contender. Now let's talk about PayU. PayU is less known among casual users, but it is very important in Vietnam's payment ecosystem. It focuses heavily on bill payments and retail integration. Now here's the interesting part. PayU is often used as a bridge between banks and merchants. So if you are paying utilities or services, it can sometimes offer more stable processing compared to newer apps. But here's the limitation. It does not have as many rewards or flashy features as Momo or ShopeePay. So think of PayU as a utility-focused wallet, not a rewards-focused one. Next, we have Apple Pay in Vietnam. Now this is important for iPhone users. Apple Pay is slowly expanding in Vietnam through supported banks and international cards. Here's the advantage. It is extremely secure. Face ID, tokenization, and Apple's ecosystem make it one of the safest ways to pay. But here's the problem. Acceptance is still limited compared to local wallets. You cannot rely on it everywhere yet. So Apple Pay is best used as a backup or premium payment method, not your main wallet. Now let's move to Google Pay. Google Pay is similar to Apple Pay, but it has slightly better integration with Android devices and some local banks. Now here's where it gets interesting. If you already use Gmail, Android, and Google services, it becomes very convenient to manage payments in one ecosystem. But again, adoption in Vietnam is still growing. So it is not yet as universal as Momo or VNPay. Next, we have Mokata. Mocha is closely linked with Grab, the ride-hailing app. If you use Grab for rides, food delivery, or shopping, Mocha is already integrated into your daily life. Now, here's the advantage. Seamless payments inside Grab ecosystem. No need to carry cash or switch apps. But here's the limitation. Outside Grab, its usage is not as strong. So Mocha is perfect for transport-heavy users. Now let's talk about AirPay, which is now evolving into ShopeePay ecosystem in many regions. AirPay was originally focused on gaming top-ups, entertainment, and online services. It has now merged into ShopeePay branding in many cases. So its strength lies in digital services and entertainment payments. Finally, we have international options like Wise or Revolut. Now this is important for expats and travelers. Wise allows you to hold multiple currencies and send money internationally at low fees. Revolut also offers similar features with budgeting tools. Now here's where it gets interesting. If you are a freelancer in Vietnam getting paid from abroad, Wise can save you significant money compared to traditional banks. But here's the trade-off. These are not widely accepted for QR payments in local shops, so they are not replacements for Momo or VNPay. Instead, they complement them. So what is the best combination? Here's a simple breakdown. If you are a local user, Momo plus ZaloPay is the strongest combination. You get coverage, rewards, and convenience. If you are a shopper, add ShopeePay for discounts. If you use Grab daily, add Mocha. If you are an expat or international user, combine Momo with Wise for global transfers. And if you want maximum acceptance everywhere, VNPay is essential. Now let's quickly talk about fees and how to avoid them. Most people lose money through three things: hidden transfer fees, currency conversion fees, and failed promotions. The trick is simple. Always check cashback conditions before paying. Use wallets that match your spending habits. And avoid unnecessary cross-border conversions when possible. In a minute, if you want, I can also show you how to stack rewards across multiple wallets in Vietnam, so you can maximize cashback without extra spending. To wrap everything up, digital wallets in Vietnam are not just payment tools. They are full financial ecosystems. The right combination can save you money, give you rewards, and make your daily life much smoother. Momo is your foundation. ZaloPay is your discount engine. ShoPay is your shopping weapon. VNPay is your universal access layer. And Wise is your international bridge. If you choose wisely, you are not just paying. You are actually earning back value every single day. If this guide helped you understand digital wallets in Vietnam, make sure to like the video, share it with someone who is traveling or living in Vietnam, and subscribe for more deep dive finance guides like this.